The Tile Grill Barbecue Gazebo was sold at Home Depot, Walmart, and other retailers. To determine if this is the correct replacement canopy for your gazebo, please refer to the manufacturer model number L-GZ238PST-5F. The model number should be located on a tag on the original canopy or instructions manual. The size of the frame is 8 by 5 and is two-tiered. A few key identifiers for this gazebo are square frame posts, tile bar tables on both sides of frame, utensil rack on side of structure, vertical bar arch design around perimeter of frame. The canopy attaches by corner and side pockets. Garden Winds offers a replacement canopy designed to fit the Tile Grill Gazebo. Our canopies are offered in multiple grades of fabric from standard 350 to our exclusive Riplock 350 and Riplock 500. Riplock is made with triple thread grid lines that add durability to the canopy. Our canopies also have Dura Pocket construction with Ultra Stitch for added strength. If you have any questions, call, text, or email us. We're here to help.